We just saw Woody Woodpecker here in San Salvador, El Salvador, and I'm just going to do a tour here of the cinema. We've been doing a series called Cinemas from Around the World, where we go to different movie cinemas and check out the different films. There's Jumanji, Sherlock Gnomes, there's Ferdinand, Ole, there's new Star Wars, there's the Wonderful Showman. Messages. Oh, with Matt Damon. This is supposed to be a good one. It's about where he shrinks. We're going to see that one. The Post with Tom Hanks. Coco. Woody Woodpecker.
A woodpecker again? In Spanish?
Coco. Okay, so thanks for watching everyone. See you in the next video.